Hello, welcome again. We are solving general knowledge paper of years 2024 of CDS exam 1. Question number 7 is consider the following statement about the modern state and the forest people. 1. The forest people were subjected to new forms of political and economic dominance, and the necessity to subordinate and assimilate them led to a change in the earlier attitude of excluding these people from imperial territories. 2. The state recognized that the forest produce was sole monopoly of the forest people. 3. The state was concerned with the conservation of forests, and to this end the burning of forest was prohibited. Fourth, the forest people could be harnessed to serve the state and could be used as troops, spies, and assassins. How many of the above statement is correct? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, and option D 4. So here first statement is the forest people were subjected to new forms of political and economic dominance, and the necessity to subordinate and assimilate them led to a change in the earlier attitude of excluding these people from imperial territory. So that statement is correct, and this is and the explanation of this is under integration of forest people. The modern state aimed to integrate forest regions and their inhabitants into empire's economy and governance. This involved imposing new forms of political and economic dominance, which may have initially been seen as exclusive but eventually led to a change in attitude towards inclusion. So they were included within modern states, they were not separate people. Okay, so now during modern era, this attitude of excluding these people was changed. Okay, so that is correct. Second statement is the state recognized that the forest produce was sole monopoly of forest people. So that statement is wrong. The purpose of the modern state to include these people is to take the control of the forest resources. Okay, so this is under the article state control of forest resources. Explanation is the modern state did not recognize forest people as the sole owner of forest produce. They saw these resources as vital to empire strength, including timber, elephant, and other products, and exerted control over them. So that second statement is not correct. Okay, they were not the sole monopoly of forest people. So third statement is the state the state was concerned with conservation of forest, and to this end the burning of forest was prohibited. So that is also correct. So that is under the article early environmentalism by Morian. So explanation is the modern state demonstrated an early form of environmental consciousness by prohibiting forest burning. This was likely aimed at sustainable management of resources crucial for empire's long-term interest. So that is also correct. And the third statement is correct. First is correct. Second is wrong. And fourth is the forest people could be harnessed to serve the state and could be used as troops, spies, and assassins. So that is also correct, and this is under the article impact of forest people, impact on forest people. While the integration of forest people into empire system led to a new form of dominance, it also potentially provided access to resources and opportunities within the broader modern economy. The Mauryan state utilized forest people for various purposes including military and political, often integrating them into their system. They were used as troops, spies, and assassins. Additionally, the forest people provided the Mauryan official with resources like elephants, timber, honey, and bat. The Mauryan approach involved both harnessing forest resources and integrating forest development into the state apparatus. So answer is C. Third, sorry, second statement is wrong. Or first, second, and fourth are correct. So answer is C. Three statements are correct.